that's about. The heat exchanger was replaced a few days after I made the other video of this furnace when the tech was here, and basically what was happening is the one of the previous heat exchanger was cracked, and the flame was going all over the place, and that could have caused a fire if it did not have that tripwire that shut it off every so often. The funny thing is, I didn't even have to manipulate the thermostat to get it to come on. As I was going back upstairs to the main level to turn it on, it kicked on by itself. So that saved me some time. Here's the air handler, or one of them. Get a quick temperature measurement before the air vent shuts off, because I just heard the thermostat click. So it's already shutting back off. That's working great. And this is the one that has the cover that's stuck closed, and it's still managing to push out that 110 plus degree air. And I just heard the flue pipe shut down, so the air vent should be cutting off any second now. The heat pump's right out there. Probably too dark to see. And there's the moon over there. Air vent shut off. I actually missed the defrost cycle of the heat pump like 15 minutes ago. So I'll probably catch it again tonight when temperatures drop back down, but I'm not dressed to be out there right now, as it's near freezing outside. But yeah, I guess I'll end it here.